Her voice calls me home, to the turquoise waters, the golden sun that kisses the shores, in the embrace of a land where my soul yearns to be. I trace my roots across the islands, to Fiema'u, where my forebears thrived in unity and strength, to Hapai, where they lived in rhythm with the tides and the spirit of the ocean, to Taumoepeau, the heart of our kingdom, where the footsteps of my ancestors shaped the land beneath them. From these sacred shores, they carried wisdom, heart, and the spirit of our people. I have wandered far across vast oceans and the seven seas, yet the pull of my heritage has never loosened its grip. I dance in longing, in remembrance, in reverence to the heritage that shaped my grandparents, my parents, and now my path forward. My journey so far has taught me that Tonga is more than just islands floating upon the Pacific. It is a kingdom dedicated in faith, a promise sealed by King Taumoepeau I at Bono in 1839. He cast away the pagan gods of the past and embraced the light of Christianity, offering this nation to the God of the Bible and shaping it in the name of Jesus Christ. From the churches that rise with the morning sun to the voices that sing in evening prayer, faith flows through Tonga like the tides. It is hope, it is strength, it is the very heartbeat of its people. And among them, my ancestors heard the call of Christ and answered, not only as believers, but as servants, bearing loyalty to both the crown and the church. They stood in devotion, offering their hands in service, their voices in worship, their lives in faith. Now I no longer live in search of my heritage. I dance with it. It strengthens me, roots me, and carries me forward, shaping the woman I am becoming. The challenges that lie ahead feel less daunting, for I have felt the embrace of my ancestors' faith and my family's love. I have heard their wisdom in the voice of the waves. Finally, the beat of the Nafa, the heartbeat of Tonga. I feel my own heart beating in rhythm, steady and strong, ready to face the future.
Siosi'ana for contestant Fiema'u Miss Pangaimotu Islands, Siosi'ana